Welcome to Kirtiskitchenkatta. How are you doing today? So today we are going to make Dal Vada or split chickpea vadas or fritters, and we are going to make them in two ways. One is the air fryer way and other one is the traditional deep frying way. So for that, what I took is I took the chickpea or the split chickpea or dal, chana dal, and this is 1.5 cup. I just soaked it for like 3 to 4 hours and they have puffed up well. They almost doubled in size. So this is the perfect consistency of chickpeas, and we are going to grind it coarsely. So I took a mixie jar and put the soaked chickpea in it, taking 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. This is cumin and coriander powder. It's just 1 teaspoon again. A pinch of asafoetida or hing. This is half a teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. Salt to taste. We can always add more salt later. And I'm adding green chili and coriander. I'm not going to add any water right now. Let's just try and grind it. So I have just put the air fryer on air fry mode for 370 Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. This is just for preheating my air fryer. So here I just put more chili paste and just adjusted the salt. Now you can see this is coarse. What I had to do is I had to add around 1/4 cup of water to make it in this coarse consistency. Now I'm adding really finely chopped onion to it. It's around 1 small onion, and I'm adding cilantro to it. Remember, we had added cilantro in our chili paste, but we like it this way also. I'm just going to mix it well, and I'm going to start adding the rice flour. This looks good. I'm just going to start adding the rice flour. We don't want to add a lot of rice flour, but just maybe like 3 to 4 tablespoons of it, so the vadas may become really nice and crispy, and it's a very nice binding agent also. So I'm going to add a very important ingredient, and that's curry leaves. I took around 10 to 15 not 15, maybe 10 to 12 curry leaves, and I just chopped them really well, and I'm just going to mix it, and let's make the vadas. So I'm just taking a small ball and I'm just going to pat it a bit like this. This is a perfect evening snack with lot of protein in it, and do watch it till the end to get more tips and tricks how not to use oil and how to use air fryer. So this is how I'm making it. I'm going to make the vadas and going to put it in the refrigerator for like 10 minutes. So when you put it in the hot oil, the vadas won't break. So this is one tip or trick. So I'm just spraying it with oil. I just sprayed it with the oil and I'm putting the vadas in it. This is the air fryer. I have Instant Pot air fryer lid. So I'm just putting it on that. I've just put 5 vadas, and either you can spray again with the oil, or alternatively you can use the oil with the help of brush. You can just oil these vadas. Put the air fryer lid. Put it on air fryer mode for 400 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. And I'm going to turn it after 5 minutes. So the air fryer prompted me to turn the food. So I'm just turning it. And I'm going to put it back for 5 more minutes and then we'll see how it looks. I put it back and it has gone back to its work, 400 Fahrenheit. Now 5 minutes are left. Now let's fry these vadas the traditional way. It is medium to high heat. And I'm going to put 4 to 5 vadas at a time. Now they are fried nice and crispy and crunchy. We will take it out on a paper towel and put the next batch. I will show you how crispy or crunchy they have become by a fork test. Let's do the fork test. Do you hear? It's so crispy and crunchy. All our vadas. And I'm going to show you. Let's open it. And do you see? It's crispy and crunchy from outside, but nice and beautiful from inside. You are going. Wow! So they are perfectly cooked in our air fryer also. So what I did was I just put it for 3 more minutes. So these are perfectly cooked or in air fryer, and this is our traditional way, deep frying. So let's check the air fryer also. It's the same way, and see, even this is cooked perfectly from inside. So nice and soft from inside and crispy from outside. So how do they look? Don't they look beautiful and perfect? So this is the traditional way, this is the air fryer way. So these vadas were taught to me by my sister-in-law Anagha Gurjar, and really thanks to her that I can make these awesome vadas. So if you like this recipe, do subscribe to Kirtiskitchenkatta and like, share, comment on all the videos. Thank you so much. Happy cooking. Bye bye.